Hi guys, welcome back to one of these Barbie style classes. Our CEO Barbie is super passionate about design and she loves to surround herself with cool design products and furnish her own office with some special piece like this chair inspired by curves. Now let's get started this new tutorial created in Autodesk Fusion 360. Step 1. Let's start creating the seat. First of all, we need to create an offset plane of the top plane. Use the Offset Plane tool in the Construction section of the top menu and create a second plane 75 mm distance from the top one. This distance is the length of Barbie's legs from the ground to the knee. Create now a new sketch on this new plane and using the Rectangle tool draw a square of 55 mm by 55. Make sure to set the center of the square aligned with the origin and then extrude the seat using the Extrusion tool and set the distance at 5 mm. Step 2. Creation of the legs. Start a new sketch on the bottom part of the seat. Keep in mind that every flat surface can be used as a plane to create new sketches and apply new functions. Use the Rectangle tool again to create a square in one of the corners of the seat. Use the Smart Dimension to set the length of each side at 5 mm. Use the Line tool then and create a vertical and horizontal middle lines. Use the Sketch palette then to convert them in construction line, because we want to use them as symmetry lines. Select now the square and using the Mirror tool in the Sketch section of the top menu, create a copy of the square, selecting as mirror line the vertical line. Repeat the same operations, selecting both the squares this time and mirroring them through the horizontal line. Now you have 4 squares in the 4 corners of the seat. Select the Extrude tool now and create an extrusion of the 4 squares. Set the distance of the extrusion at 75 mm, which is exactly the distance from the seat to the top plane. Step 3. Creation of the back. Start now a new sketch on the back part of the model. That now is a sort of stool. Use the Spline tool to create this curved and organic shape, starting from one vertex to the other one. Use again the Spline tool to create a second line, following the first one and making it distant only few millimeters. Use in the end the Line tool to close the sketch in the bottom part. Now we have this intricate space between the 2 sketches. Use the Extrude tool again to add some thickness to the back. Make sure to select all the elements of the back and set as distance 5 mm. Make sure to set the direction towards the seat of the chair to connect all the elements properly. Step 4. Creation of the details. Use the Fillet tool now to refine the design and make the edges of the seat smoother. Use a fillet radius of 0.5 mm to round the edges of the seat and the legs. And the design chair for our CEO Barbie is done. Step 5. Save and export the STL file. Save your design in Autodesk Fusion 360 Cloud. I'm saving my file as Barbie Design Chair. Once saved, the name of the file is changing, also at the top of the left menu. Right-click on the new name and select Save as STL to export the file for 3D printing. Congratulations! Now your CEO Barbie has a cool design chair for her office. Check out KiraKira.com and get inspired by other cool designers and projects. And don't forget to share your designs with our community.